Actually, I have to. I talked to Senator Lacson. I'm sure you're going there. No?
Yeah.
We had a conversation yesterday, good conversation. Kasi nga, may lumabas na ganun. If you recall, yung sinabi ko na we are contemplating, that is based on your question nung last na press con. So siguro hindi lang masyadong napaliwanag. And kung mababalikan niyo yung interview, yung press con na yun, sinabi ko, she will be asked kasi nagkaroon ng message kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. So the reason for contemplating, the reason for considering her to be subpoena is not because to know the whereabouts of Senator Bato. It's about doon sa nangyari na sinasabi ni Senator Alan na merong conversation sila na gano'n. It's more on looking kung ano yung circumstances na nangyari talaga during the shootout because it's being investigated. At alam naman natin yun na nga. Dahil para ang sinasabi ng Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, she received a message from Mrs. De La Rosa na yung nangyari na shootout gives opportunity na makatakas si Senator Bato at nagpasalamat siya kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano sa pangyayari na yun. So if you will look at that, we have to look at the angle, the motive, kung bakit nagkaroon na ng shootout. It's not asking the wife of Senator De La Rosa for the whereabouts. Kasi you and I know, kung kahit naman alam niya yan, I'm sure hindi naman niya sasabihin sa amin eh. So doon sa angulo na yun. And we talk already, and I respect the position of Senator Lacson. Unang-una, he's giving high regards to the NBI. That is something that we will value. And pangalawa, yung kanyang mga sinabi is sharing his wisdom. That is something also that we can understand and process and can help us to proceed kung ano yung ating direction.
As we speak, sir, may subpoena na po or...
No, we haven't sent subpoena. No,
Okay.
So actually, sabi ko kay Senator Lacson, it's under consultation.
Okay.
So we'll defer also to the Department of Justice kung ano yung direction nila.